Tired of just sitting at home? Or need a side job as a student? Or even a side job to your job? I have a solution for your problems. With just 2 to 5 minutes per survey and a laptop or any mobile device, you can now earn for up to $100 a day. You may not be aware, but there are many websites out there that will pay you for completing surveys. Even if it isn't high-paying work, it is worth trying since it is so simple and readily available. You can work on it while waiting for an appointment between classes, in the evenings after dinner, and anywhere else you have a bit of spare time. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything related to money. And for this video, we are going to talk about 7 paid survey websites and how to earn $100 a day with paid surveys. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell to receive updates and be the first to check out our latest videos. I know what you're thinking. You're doubting if it's legit, right? Well, don't be concerned about the authenticity of this source of money. Paid surveys are entirely legal and hundreds of companies employ them now. And these companies utilize the internet to get this information. So basically, the internet enables businesses to connect with individuals who can give them trustworthy data, or those people they otherwise wouldn't have the chance to reach. And this helps them improve their goods and services as well as develop new ones. Sounds interesting? Well, here are 7 of the top websites I've found for earning additional money via surveys. So number 1, we have Swagbucks. Possibly the oldest and most well-known paid survey website in the world is Swagbucks. Well, it works like this. So you gain Swagbucks points for each survey you complete, which you can then exchange for gift cards or cash. Swagbucks provides a variety of methods to make money online, including watching films, reviewing products, and even doing web searches. You can make between $2 and $50 for every survey depending on the one you take. And the Swagbucks activity you engage in, you actually may enter their contests for a chance to win even greater prizes if you can't wait to spend your rewards. And more importantly, a $10 welcome incentive is provided to you by Swagbucks. And at number 2, we have Survey Junkie. Well, one of the simplest and easiest survey websites on the internet is Survey Junkie. On this free membership site, you can do surveys and get paid up to $50. As soon as you sign up, you'll receive an offer for your first paid survey, which you may accept whenever you're ready. Millions of people worldwide are members of Survey Junkie, which has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. So in order to perform market research, Survey Junkie now gives consumers the option to take part in free product trials, live user groups, and one-on-one phone conversations. Even though these chances are few, they can be worth up to $100 a piece. At number 3, we have Inbox Dollars. The amazing thing about Inbox Dollars is that it doesn't use the point system and instead pays you in cash immediately through PayPal. But also, if you want, through gift cards. In addition to shopping at specific retailers, you may get money by completing surveys, playing games, viewing films, and reading emails, depending on their length. The surveys on Inbox Dollars pay anywhere from 50 cents to $20 and require 2 to 25 minutes of your time. You receive $5 if you sign up with Inbox Dollars. With over 31,000 customer evaluations on Trustpilot, Inbox Dollars is rated 4.2 out of 5. And its parent business, Prodigy, has an A- rating from the Better Business Bureau. Now I know the topic gets more and more interesting from here, but I want to know if you've tried paid surveys before. So, let me know in the comment section below so that we can talk about them. So, At number 4 is branded surveys. Branded surveys is among the most well-liked platforms for surveys and market research that compensates respondents for their input. It's a fantastic opportunity to work from home and earn money while enjoying the convenience of your home. It's important to take note that merely surveys are available on branded surveys. It's unquestionably one of the most generous survey sites in terms of pay per survey and the lowest withdrawal amount. You will be matched with surveys that are appropriate using their survey matching engine, removing the need to sort through dozens of possibilities to discover one you qualify for. This simplifies the procedure. Instead, surveys customized to your profile are immediately delivered to you. And next, at number 5 is LifePoints, another fantastic website for making additional money. LifePoints let you complete surveys to earn points that can be redeemed for cash sent through PayPal, contributions, or gift cards. On the LifePoints platform, you may use your laptop or phone to complete surveys and other minor activities to earn money and incentives. They provide surveys in 26 languages and claim to have more than 5 million subscribers. So on the site, there are 3 methods to gain points, and these are responding to surveys, observing customer behavior, and evaluating items. The platform's name implies that you earn money and incentives by accumulating life points. You will accumulate more life points as you accomplish more missions. Each work has a different potential for income. Generally, depending on how long a task takes, you will receive between 20 and 100 points for doing it. And next, number 6 is Toluna. Toluna is a website that pays users to do surveys. So it collaborates with well-known companies like Coca-Cola, Amazon, L'Oreal, Sony Music, Fayette, and more. It's particularly appealing since it enables you to select topics you find interesting, making survey taking more enjoyable. There are 2 different survey kinds available on Toluna, and these are profile surveys, which take a few minutes to complete and are worth 100 points, and lengthier surveys, which take 10 to 20 minutes to complete but are worth more. They provide cash payments as well as vouchers for payment. Depending on the nation you are in, you may be able to purchase specific gift cards and goods. Also, you may now receive payments in Bitcoin in some countries. The broad survey subject allows you for a more interesting experience than you could ever find on other survey websites. Additionally, they have unveiled their games area where you can play games and get money. Now the last recommendation at number 7 is I Say. If you don't mind a high rejection rate and prefer to do online surveys from a reputable market research company due to worries about spamming websites, I Say can be a good pick for you. Ipsos, a French company that does international market research, offers direct survey services through I Say. Because I Say is a direct provider, your surfing experience is significantly cleaner because you stay on site for all of your websites. I Say doesn't have as many paid survey options as the other websites on the list, but it's still a great place to get additional money. Although it uses a point system, you may always exchange your points for money or gift cards, depending on how many points you earn. I Say allows you to exchange your points for cash, gift cards, or charitable donations. So now that you know what these paid surveys are, which do you think suits you best? Comment your choice down below so I'll know which one works for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!